So I want to demonstrate this problem. Here's my coffee maker. I got an empty cup of coffee, you see. It's blinking right now between. It's going through, so it's plugged in, it's working, right? Brand new K-cup. Alright. The water, I got it about 11.5 cups. It's about the size of my mug. Boom. Water's in place. Ready to go, right? Lid shut. The lights. Alright. Look at my thumb. I don't know if you can see, it's cold. This is the third straight cold brew. It's blinking classic. There's nothing on. The ice is not on. Alright? It's brewing cold. As evidenced by the clear stream.